Chapter 2 of the Bill of Rights in South Africa states that you have a right to assemble, demonstrate and protest, but you have to do so peacefully.
Batho ba le batsoa ka thu ba letsa di Vuselela batho a tlamelo lo kwala ka ka nthong ka Golden Highway itsentse re le skela community ya tla ya re ha ona ngwana o tlamelo re abale tlamelo ka o fela re lo protesta ka for a service delivery.
In South Africa, protesters come together and before you know it, violence breaks out.
Re la ga ya ka Golden Highway tse re fitla ka o no tletse maponisa re la ga thunywa ka di raba bullet ne re ba fureletsa ka majwe ha tlentle ntho ne re lwanela ne dintlo le ntho le mo dikontinent tsa rona ne di tsile sharp kobane pula ne ne le nona le seretse tsepae.
In a democratic society, we have the right to be able to have our voices heard. We have a right to ask for what is our rights. But the way you do that has to be legal.
Nearly 10 people have already been shot dead by the police in incidents that resulted from violent protesting. One of the victims from the violence was a scholar from Limpopo who was shot by the police when residents in his village decided to take the law into their hands.
Itsak fitla mo ba le ba thunya nka kila ka shatjwa ke dadinya ya te tsipi ya te ya ile nshapa mo sledung ka ruwa ka khutlela hae.
Police officers are mostly good people, that they are just trying to do a very hard job in extremely difficult circumstances. During the apartheid era, there were nobody would listen if you did it the right way. Our laws didn't protect us. So a lot of people felt that the only way that they could be heard is to be out on the street and to protest in that violent way. We just need to learn how to do things differently now.
I wouldn't advise the youth being in protest for something that doesn't involve them.
They shouldn't be in violent protests because they're still young, they're immature, they don't understand what they're actually fighting for.
And if you have to protest, I believe it should be in a manner that the people you're protesting to will actually take notice of your protest.
Use the media, use civil society, come together and have one voice. And in that way, I think that you'd be heard much louder than throwing a stone.
Mtoba Chapi, Bona River.